Not all end mills are created equal. The shape of the tip alone changes everything, and picking the wrong one can ruin a part or snap a tool. The most common type is the square end mill, also called a flat end mill. Its flat tip cuts sharp 90-degree corners and flat floors, making it the go-to choice for pockets, slots, and profile cuts. It's versatile, widely available, and works in wood, plastic, aluminium, and steel. When in doubt, start here. The ball nose end mill has a perfectly rounded tip, like a hemisphere. This makes it ideal for 3D contoured surfaces, curved pockets, and mold cavities. It leaves a smooth, scalloped finish on curved faces that flat end mills simply can't achieve. You'll find it everywhere in aerospace, automotive, and mold-making industries. Sitting between the square and ball nose is the bull nose end mill, a flat-bottomed tool with a small radius at the corners. Those rounded corners are stronger than sharp ones, reducing chipping when cutting hard materials. It's the preferred choice for roughing passes in steel and titanium. When you need to remove a lot of material fast, the roughing end mill, also called a corn cob or hogger, is the tool for the job. Its serrated, wavy cutting edges break chips into small pieces, reducing cutting forces and allowing much deeper, faster cuts. The finish is rough, but that's fine, because a finishing pass comes next. For deep, narrow features, like mold cavities or turbine blade slots, tapered end mills provide strength without sacrificing reach. Then there are specialty types: chamfer mills for beveling edges, thread mills for cutting internal threads, and micro end mills smaller than a human hair for watchmaking and electronics. To recap: square end mill, flat floors and sharp corners; ball nose, smooth 3D curves and molds; bull nose, hard materials, stronger corners; roughing, fast material removal; tapered and specialty, complex, precise features. Choose the right tool, and the machine does the rest.